Hi, my name is Shanwaz and now I will present our paper Cross-Model Speaker Verification and Recognition a Multilingual Perspective. This work was carried out at Italian Institute of Technology in collaboration with Mohammad Saad Said, Pietro Barreiro, Arif Mahmood, Ignazio Gallo, Mohammad Haroon Yusuf and Alessio Del Bue. A strong correlation has been found between face and voice of a person which has attracted significant research interest in recent years. However, none of these approaches investigate the effect of multiple language on this task. Half of the world population is bilingual, with people often switching between their first and second language while communicating. Therefore, it is essential to investigate the effect of multiple languages on computer vision tasks. In addition, existing datasets containing audio-visual information do not provide language-level annotations. Therefore, we cannot deploy these datasets to analyze the effect of multiple languages on face-wise association. Since VoxLab is considered a benchmark dataset, therefore, we build a new audio-visual dataset with language annotation with same characteristics as VoxLab. Multilingual audio-visual dataset provide data of 154 celebrities in three languages: English, Hindi, Urdu. The collected videos cover a wide range of unconstrained, challenging multi-speaker environments, including political debate, press conferences, outdoor interviews, quiet studio interviews, drama, and movie clip. It is also interesting to note that the visual data spans over a vast range of variation, including poses, motion blur, black background clutter, video quality, occlusion, and lighting conditions. In addition, videos are degraded with real-time noise like background chatter, music overlapping speech, and compression artifacts. Multilingual audio-visual dataset consisting of video and audio recording with a large number of celebrities speaking more than one language in the world. The proposed dataset paves the way to analyze the impact of multiple languages on face and voice association. Then we propose a cross-model verification approach to analyze the impact of multiple languages in order to answer the following question. Is face voice association language independent? We extract face and voice embedding from two subnetworks trained on face and voice sample from the multilingual audio-visual dataset. Afterward, we built a shallow two-branch network on top of these embeddings in order to reduce the gap between them in order to establish a baseline. The shallow architecture consists of two branches, each composed of a fully connected layer with weight matrices. In addition, layers are separated by ReLU followed by L2 normalization. We propose an evaluation protocol for a cross-model verification method in order to analyze the impact of multiple languages on face and voice association. The multilingual audio-visual dataset is divided into train and test split consisting of disjoint identities from the same language, typically known as unseen, unheard configuration introduced by Negrani et al. At inference time, the network is evaluated on a heard and completely unheard language. The protocol is more challenging than previously known unseen, unheard configuration due to the presence of an unheard language in addition to the disjoint identities. We evaluate the two-branch network on a cross-model verification method between faces and voices in order to measure the performance on heard and unheard configuration of multilingual audio-visual dataset. We observe performance drop across two split which clearly demonstrate that association is not language independent. We observe that the performance degradation is due to the data distribution of two languages typically known as domain shift. Moreover, the model does not generalize generalize well to other unheard languages. However, the performance is still better than random verification, which is not trivial considering the challenging nature and configuration of proposed evaluation protocol. We present our work on association between faces and voices with multiple languages. Please visit our web page for dataset and more information.